storm warning remains in effect until 3 p.m. for the following county: Rice, Minnesota. Winter storm warning remains in effect until 3 p.m. this afternoon. What? Heavy snow. Additional snow accumulations of up to 1 inch. Where? Portions of east, central, and south. When? Until 3 p.m. this afternoon. The following impacts are expected. Plan on slippery road conditions. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. The latest road conditions for the state you are calling from can be obtained by calling 511. Road conditions can also be found at 511mn.org in Minnesota or 511wi.gov in Wisconsin. Repeating, a winter storm warning remains in effect until 3 p.m. for the following counties: in Minnesota, Dakota, Goodhue, and Washington, and the following counties: in Wisconsin, Pierce and St. Croix. Winter weather advisory remains in effect until 3 p.m. this afternoon. What? Snow. Additional snow accumulations of up to 1 inch. Carver.
The National Weather Service in Chanhassen, Minnesota has just activated the warning alarm on 13 weather radio stations across central and southern Minnesota and west central Wisconsin. During dangerous weather situations, these specially built radios are automatically activated to warn for the hazard. Tests of these radios are normally conducted. If severe weather threatens the area near the normal test time, the test will be postponed until the next good weather day. The warning alarm will be activated for selected watches, warnings, and statements affecting central and southern Minnesota and west central Wisconsin. This concludes the test of the warning system. We now return to normal programming.
Winter weather